Today we came up with a different type of video, and here we are talking about a special topic. In order to trade Forex or to make a profit from Forex, you must have a good strategy. This we all know, and for this we are constantly learning new strategy. But the problem is that when we learn different type of strategy, we see many strategy in front of us. That's why we get confused which strategy is better, or which indicator is more useful, or which one will be best for you to learn. So today's video to dispel this confusion. Here we will share the top 5 strategy and indicator any of those strategy you can learn, because these are very effective strategy by which you can definitely do something good for you. So stay with us. So hello viewers, I am an official member of FOREX BD. I hope you all are well. The number 5 of the top 5 strategy that I will share is called RSI strategy. It's very popular for its effectiveness, and it's a very simple strategy that anyone can follow. Considering its effectiveness, we have placed it at number 5 in the top 5 broker list. The full form of RSI is Relative Strength Index. As I said before, it's very easy to use. To set up it in the trading view chart, click on the strategy and indicator option. Then write RSI on the search page and search it, then it will appear in front of you. Then once you click, this indicator will set up. You can see at the bottom of the screen that this indicator have been set up. In between you can see 2 label, that is you can see 2 line. The bottom level is 30 line and the top level is 70 line, and we have to follow the zigzag line you see in the middle. So when the market goes up, it will go up along this line. Similarly, if the market goes down, the line will go down. So the way to get an entry is when the market goes up and crosses the 70 level and goes down, that's when you order a sell entry. Similarly, when this zigzag line crosses the 30 level, then go up from the bottom to top, you will take a buy entry. We have given a video before with all these details. There we have shown how to follow this strategy and how to do analysis using this indicator. So don't forget to see this video. By watching this video, you can learn A to Z about RSI strategy. Then the second strategy I will call, that is Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band is a very effective strategy. This is also a lot like RSI. Go to the indicator option just like before. If you search by typing Bollinger Band, it will come in front of you. Then once clicked, it will be set up on the screen. You don't have to do much setting here. The line you see at the top is called upper band, then the line at the bottom you see is called lower band. So when the market goes up and touch the upper band, you will take a sell order, and if the market goes down and touch the lower band, you will take a buy order. The market is always between the upper band and lower band, and there have a number of things. We have already uploaded video about everything, that those who have not seen it must watch this video. You will understand about this strategy clearly. Moreover, when the market touch the upper band or lower band, it should be noted whether it's touching by candle or by shadow. If the candle touch by shadow, then you have to take entry. Everything we have discussed in this video, you must see this video, and if you want to learn this strategy, you have to see this video. So don't miss it. Then we will say at the number 3 is that moving average. Moving average are a very popular strategy nowadays, and it gives very good feedback. If you can master it, then no more worries. You can earn by this strategy. For this, just like before, click on the indicator option, then search by typing moving average. Then this indicator will come in front of you, and if you click once, it will be set up. Then you need to make some setting. Click on the setting option of this indicator. You can see there is setting option. Then you have to type length 200. I say again, you have to write 200 in the length option. Then clicking OK, it will be set up on your chart. The system of taking entry from this moving average is when a candle crosses this line, you will take entry. That means when the market goes down and crosses this line, then you will get sell signal and you can take sell entry. And when the market goes up and crosses this line, then you can take buy entry, because you are getting a buy signal. I say again, if the market crosses this line from bottom, you will take buy entry, and if the market crosses this line from top to bottom, you will order a sell entry. It's very simple and easy strategy. You can easily master it. We have also uploaded a video about this strategy. Be sure check it out. Then the number 4 is that alligator strategy. Before talking about it, I would like to say those who don't subscribe our FOREX BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's talk about alligator strategy. Alligator strategy is number 4 in the top 5 strategy. To follow this strategy, we need to set up it in our chart. This indicator is very much like a moving average, and this has 3 lines. First, click on the indicator option and search by typing the name of this indicator, alligator. So when you search, this indicator will come up in front of you. Once you click there, it will be set up on your screen, as you can see. And I have set up this indicator. The green color line you see here, its period is 5 and its name is lips. And the line you see here, red color, is called teeth and its period is 8. And the lastly, you can see yellow line, it's called jaw and its period is 13. So the one that has period 5 has the most movement, and the one that has period 13 has the least movement. Your main job here is to follow the lips line to get the signal. That means follow the green line, which is period 5. So the shortest period, which is the green line, will give a signal to go down when it crosses the other line. That means when this line crosses the other line and go up, then you will get buy signal. And when the green line crosses the other line and goes down, then you will get a sell signal. So this is very easy. You can get signal by following this green line, which period is 5. And we have also discussed about this strategy in a video. You must see this video. That's why you have to see this video to follow this strategy. And the last one strategy is the best strategy, is called Fibonacci. A very popular strategy and also gives very good feedback. So this is the number 1 strategy. This indicator has to be used in a slightly different way. In order to do analysis by this indicator, first you have to find the top point and the lowest point from the market. Then place one part of the Fibonacci indicator at the top of the market and another part at the bottom of the market, as you can see on the screen. As soon as you set up it, you will get automatically a lot of support and resistance, through which you can understand when to take entry or when to close the entry. So it's a very popular and effective indicator. Follow this video to know the details of how to get entry from this indicator and how to set up SLNTP by this indicator. Obviously, by watching this video, you will know how to follow this indicator very easily. So don't miss this video that we mention you, because this indicator is very popular and very effective indicator. That's why you can follow any indicator from these 5 indicator. So viewers, this is our video. Hopefully you can understand today's video and hopefully you can master any of them. And the last thing I want to say, that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.